Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, dear delegates. It is an honor for me to address the Japan 2025 CCS Summit on behalf of Indonesia as we explore the close relationships between Indonesia and Japan, especially on cross-border CCS arrangements. Though I regret not being able to attend the summit in physical form, however, I thank the organizers for being able to address this distinguished forum via this short video message. Our two nations stand at the pivotal moment where decades of good bilateral relationships can be channeled into transformative climate action through carbon capture and storage. Today, allow me to outline Indonesia's vast storage potential combined with Japan's technological leadership and clear decarbonisation targets, which creates an unprecedented opportunity for our strategic collaboration that can reshape the Asia-Pacific carbon management landscape. As you understand, Indonesia and Japan have established a long-standing diplomatic relationship, 67 years of sound and solid relationship on the economic front. Indonesia and Japan have established economic relations, especially in the field of energy, where Japan was one of the very first investors in the energy sector in Indonesia. Japan has invested in Indonesia on the LNG front, on crude oil, more recently on gas, as we have explored strong LNG gas relationships over the past years. We look forward in extending this energy relationship even further with low-carbon initiatives as we are exploring today on CCS. Indonesia and Japan are looking forward for cross-border CCS and CCUS arrangements going forward, and we look forward that in due course that Japan and Indonesia can sign an MOU on CCS and CCUS cross-border in due course. I would also like to stress the importance of our two relationship and the strong capital that we have already with us at the moment. Japan's offshore storage sites are somewhat limited and modest relative to net zero requirements, creating a need for cross-border partnerships. On the other hand, Japan has already implemented a CCS Business Act to support CCS activities going forward. Indonesia can support Japan's CCS objectives as Indonesia is home to the fourth largest CCS storage capacity. As such, our relationship to develop CCS storage capacities in Indonesia is imminent, and we hope to be able to sign cross-border MOUs followed by cross-border agreements on CCS in the near future. As a lawmaker, I would also like to report to you the various legislations that we are currently working on. First is the revision of the oil and gas law, the electricity law, the renewable energy bill, as well as the law on management of climate change. These laws will have a very strong correlation with our CCS activities as it is within the low-carbon economic space. We look forward in accelerating our CCS commitments in due course as the legislations that we are currently working on will support CCS activities cross-border between Indonesia and Japan and other countries as well. Again, I would like to thank you for allowing me to address these distinguished forums via this video message, and I look forward meeting you in person in Japan or Indonesia in a very short time frame. I wish you success in this forum, and I look forward for a strong CCS-CCUS relationship between Japan and Indonesia. Thank you very much.